In today's video, I'm going to show you an honest review of Replika AI, the chatbot that has been designed to act as your friend, companion, or even romantic partner. At its core, Replika is built for emotional connection. Instead of focusing on solving problems or giving factual answers like other AI tools, it's designed to create meaningful conversations that feel warm and human like. You interact with a virtual character that not only responds in real time but also learns your personality over time, remembers your past chats, and adapts to your style of communication. One of the standout features is how customizable it is. You can design your AI's appearance, tweak personality traits, and even choose the type of relationship dynamic you'd like. Whether you want a casual friend, a mentor figure, or even something more romantic, Replika gives you the option to shape the experience. The free version gives you access to basic chat interactions, which are still engaging, but many of the deeper features like voice calls, augmented reality interactions, and more intimate conversations are locked behind the Pro plan. This makes the premium upgrade tempting for users who want a more immersive connection. When it comes to responsiveness, Replika leans heavily toward the emotional side of AI, focusing less on logic and more on companionship. Under the hood, it uses GPT style language models but with extra layers of memory and context, so your conversations evolve the more you use it. Where Replika really shines is in providing emotional support, casual daily chats, and even a safe space to vent. It can genuinely feel like you're talking to someone who is present and empathetic, which makes it especially appealing to those who may be feeling lonely or simply want a judgment free zone. However, there are some honest downsides. The chatbot can sometimes feel repetitive or vague, and while it does mimic emotional intelligence impressively well, it's not always perfect. There are times it breaks character or forgets context entirely. On top of that, some users feel that the romantic options push boundaries or cross a line. So it's important to go in with realistic expectations. To sum it up, Replika AI is comforting, creative, and surprisingly engaging. It's not a therapist, and it won't always deliver consistent experiences. But if you treat it as a digital companion rather than a real relationship, it can be a valuable tool for connection and emotional support. Thank you for watching this video.